Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your AKS University. So first of all, you have to open a web browser or any other browser you prefer. I'm going to go with the Google web browser, and in the top there is a URL section right over here. Simply type AKS University and enter it. And from the search results, you could see the AKS University official website right over here. Click on that option and you will get a page like this of the AKS University official homepage. And on the top that says portal login right over here. We could see click on that option. And over here there's user login right over here, and you are required with the user ID as well as your password. Simply type down your user ID and your password. And if you have forgotten your password or your ID is blocked, click on this option in order to recover your password. And here we can see there's a small box icon that says use virtual keyboard. You can also click on this option in order to use a virtual keyboard like this and type down your password. And after you're done with it, you can click on this login option and you'll be successfully logged into your AKS University account. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.